So this is just a leak detection that we did in Malibu. We're going to show you how we walk through it. We do a visual of the equipment. We go over everything. We listen to everything. We heard screaming at the light. We're going to introduce those sounds. We backed ourselves up with a camera. Let's check it out. So this is the complete pool. This is the complete leak detection that we did. It's in Malibu, California. We did a visual of the equipment. We're walking around. We're looking for anything unusual. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to break out our listening equipment. And we're going to listen all the way around. We're going to listen to spa jets that we first started. Now it's skimmer, both ports. We're going to listen to lights, returns. When we get to this light leak, we want you to hear what it actually sounds like. So check it out. That sound you heard was rushing water rushing through the back crack in the light conduit. We're going to show you that with a video. Here we're static testing the pipe, so we're going to plug up all four, and then we're going to mushroom one or static test one. We have a hole drilled in there. It's not pulling any dye, which tells us that that line isn't leaking or dropping back to the pool. We're also going to static test the vac lines, and we're going to static test basically everything we can get our hands on. After we heard what we did, we're going to take a look at this light, but we're going to look with our small handheld dye injector. So we're going to get it right over where we're looking and watch as we inject the dye. Look at the top right corner. You can actually see the dye running in, and you can see the crack when we shade it a little bit. That's where the conduit actually snapped off right behind the light itself. See how it's not getting pulled in the light, it's around the side where it cracked.